Good morning from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, April 18, Tax Day. Yes, this is the 1953 model 110S Shepherd Sportsman. Flipped right side up. If some of you might remember the rather frustrating experience we had when we flipped her over, thanks to Phil Jones, Lynchburg, Virginia, we used his system to flip her back over, and it was just so trivially simple and easy. We attached a line to one of the bilge stringers, brought it up over the port side, wrapped it all the way around the hull and back, and attached it to a little winch. And of course the boat turned on its own to the sort of 90 degree from horizontal position. It was standing on edge, which is at least a little frightening. But then we hit the button and over she went. Lickety-cut. Took us a total of not more than 4 or 5 minutes to flip her. So at this point, the topsides and transom are 98% sanded and ready for bleach. We will bleach heavily, because if you don't bleach, the blossoms around the bungs will all come through as dark spots. We can see there's some variation in the boards. That will disappear with thorough bleaching. We use Daly's bleach, Daly's two-part. Now that clean strip is no more. Seems they were, I don't know exactly. It's all sort of hush-hush, but it appears that they may have been, let's say, being a little loose following hazmat packing standards. I know twice we received 2-gallon kits that had leaked into the container, and the outside of the box was actually wet through and through. That's just not a good thing. So we have everything that's inside the boat stripped: the seats, the various panels, the ceilings, kickboard. All of that is done. But yes, my friends, it is my turn once again. Before we bleach her, we want to strip the decks, gunnels, and inside trim strips completely, and then we will start bleaching. Now remember Danenberg's really rather ingenious suggestion, which is the case with a lot of them. They're just so darn simple when you hear them. His advice is bleaching starts at the bottom and works up, so that those inevitable little drips and rivulets that we encounter run across already wet, already bleaching wood. That saves you from those nasty vertical stripes. As you can see, we have one board that requires just a little bit more attention. By the end of this week, if all goes well, we will have her completely stripped, sanded, bleached, and stained. That's our goal. Thank you so much from Snake Mountain Boat Works.